Welcome to Gym and Kitchen. I'm your host, Shona. Gym and Kitchen's focus is on fitness and health coaching and education, and I'm passionate about educating and coaching real people with busy lives on all things health and wellness related, including the habits and beliefs that govern our food and fitness choices. And that's what this show is all about. You can find Gym and Kitchen on the web, Facebook and Instagram at gymandkitchen.biz, and those links will be pinned in the comments for you to find. Gym and Kitchen is produced bi-weekly and airs every second Thursday on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Let's get into this episode's topic. Today I want to talk about snacking, how to reduce it, how to plan for it, and how to make better choices around it. Have you ever found yourself mid-morning or mid-afternoon starving and realizing you need to eat something so you don't fall asleep at your desk and you don't have anything with you? So you take a break, you go to the Timmy's, you get a coffee and a donut. You see where this is going, right? And then how do you feel about 30 minutes after that? Tired? Sleepy? Craving more coffee and sugar? You see how this is a self-perpetuating problem. So, before I get into what to do about it, let's take a step back. I want you to ask yourself a question. You can put your answers in the comments below if you are comfortable doing so. Here's the question. Why do you gravitate towards the cheap coffee and the sugary snack? Is it because it's cheap and easy? Possibility. Is it because the coffee shop is right there? Why not? Is it because you want to support a small or local business? Legit. Is it because you forgot to eat breakfast? Maybe a little less legit. Is it because you didn't leave time for breakfast? Not legit at all. We're going to talk about that. Is it because you find it hard to eat first thing in the morning? Some people have that issue. So you're not hungry until you get to work, but then you're starving. Maybe you made something and forgot it at home. We've all done that. Are you a shift worker who is constantly readjusting your daily routine as a result of the shift work? Or in a job such as first response or something medical where you can't just stop in the middle of what you're doing in order to have a snack? Which one of those applies to you? Now, I want you to ask yourself if the reason you are choosing a snack that I know you know isn't healthy is a legitimate reason, or is it because of laziness or poor planning? I get that on occasion, things happen. You wake up groggy from a bad dream, stub your toe, bump your elbow, spill your coffee. The dog throws up on the carpet, takes a little time to clean up. The neighborhood has a power outage and messes with your morning routine. I've definitely had that happen. Okay, I get it. Shit happens, but it shouldn't be happening daily. And if it is, then the place you need to start is about being accountable with yourself. And if you can't find an extra few minutes in the morning to ensure you've gotten something decent to eat at whatever time is best for you to eat, I'm not going to go into meal timing in today's episode, then for Pete's sake, set your alarm a few minutes earlier. Okay, stop. I know what you're thinking. No, seriously, Shona, I have 3 kids to get out the door in the morning, and it is nothing short of a circus in this place with everyone up and running around. I seriously have no extra effing time. Okay, I don't have 3 kids, but I do feel that morning rush as well. If I leave something like food prep to be done in the morning, no matter how short a time it takes to prepare, I probably won't do it. So instead, I make it the night before, I put a reminder in my phone, and that way I don't forget it in the fridge. Now, I promised I'd also talk about how to reduce snacking, how to plan for it, and how to make better choices, and these are all related. Here's the thing. Reducing snacking can be achieved by planning for it and by making better choices around what you are snacking on so that you don't crave the crap. Stay the hell away from things like granola bars. I don't care if they are the ones with 5 grams of protein in them. It's not a lot of protein. They're still loaded with sugar. By that same token, stay the hell away from most power bars as well, especially the Lara bars and the Cliff bars. Those are fine for certain applications, but not as a daily snack. They have so much sugar in them, you might as well have a chocolate bar. So make better choices. Eat real food. When you're eating real food that contains all the right pieces to fill you up and sustain you, those pieces are called macronutrients, or macros for short, then you are much less likely to crave junk food. Most snacking happens because you're either not nutritionally sound, you legitimately haven't eaten enough, or a combination of the two. So, I'm going to show you a kitchen hack for a quick snack, and it only takes a couple of minutes to prepare. So, I'm going to show you a kitchen hack for a quick snack, and it only takes a couple of minutes to prepare. Say it with me. Cukes, cheese, nuts and seeds. Cukes, cheese, nuts and seeds. So grab a cucumber, a couple of mini ones if you have them, and cut a chunk about the length of a finger. Don't actually cut your finger. If you have mini ones, slice 2 in half. Now if you're me, then you're gonna cut the skin off because you don't like it. I really don't like the skin. If you're my husband and you don't care, you can leave the skin on. That's the faster way. Okay? And you're just gonna cut some slices of that. Then grab a block of cheese and cut 1 to 2 slices that are about the length of your thumb. Again, don't cut your thumb. Now if you have a choice, choose a low lactose cheese, like a mozzarella or a Swiss cheese. Now finally, grab a handful of nuts and seeds. I think there's a hilariously inappropriate joke in there somewhere. Any nuts or seeds will do. I have some almonds, I have some pumpkin seeds, and I have some sunflower seeds. My favorites are almonds, pumpkin seeds, and salt and pepper peanuts. Now this handful should be just about the size of the palm of your hand, just enough to fill it. So you can stick all of these in a fancy container of some form. And if you don't have a fancy container like this, guess what? A Ziploc works really well too. Okay, now it's all ready to go. Now, go and put a note in your phone so that you don't forget to take it out of the fridge and put it in your backpack or purse tomorrow before you leave the house. Thanks for watching and happy snacking. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this episode with a friend that maybe you think could use a little help with snacking. Plus, remember to connect with Jim and Kitchen on the web, Instagram, and Facebook at jimandkitchen.biz. In the next episode, 2 weeks from now, I'm talking about goals. How to set them, how to get them, and I promise it will not involve the acronym SMART. So make sure you're subscribed so you can watch it as soon as it's released. Have a great rest of your day.